guys, in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how you can easily add infinite scroll to your collection page like on the Nike.com. Products are loading pretty fast on the collection page on Nike, so I have the screenshot how it looks. So at the bottom they have a spinner and users can easily scroll all the catalog without any disruption. Also, I will explain you some must-have things you need to know by adding such functionality to your Shopify theme, like SEO optimization, best practices, and before you start, I will share some actual interesting data. So here is research where is data about top 100 e-commerce brands and what type of navigation in catalog page they use. So the most number of top e-commerce brands use infinite scroll, 38%. Load more button use 35%, and pagination only 27%. So top e-commerce brands move from basic pagination to infinite scroll or load more buttons. Brands like Nike, Zara, Uniqlo, ASOS, and a lot of more. These brands have a lot of budgets for research, marketing, and they of course worry about their conversions, so we can get the idea why they use infinite scroll, because it works pretty well and it helps to engage with users, and they explore more collection, and it helps for conversions. We also need to know some basics about SEO optimization. Let's look to the Google official recommendations. So you need to know that there is no best solution, like you need to choose pagination, load more, or infinite scroll. All of them are pros and cons, but Google recommend to choose what works best for you. If you have time and you can do A/B tests, it will be the best, but you can also use real-world examples like from the study I previously shared. I will add the link to this study in the description to this video, so you can read and get the idea what use brands from your category. Google also gives some recommendation about SEO optimization. The main idea is that any of UX pattern like pagination, load more, and infinite scroll in 2026 work good with SEO. Just you need to optimize it for search bots, so because they work not like like users, they don't click on the pages, they need their own data. It's really important, so I choose the application we will use, which automatically adds this SEO optimization and a lot of other must-have things. We will use Fab Infinite Scroll Load More app from Shopify App Store. The great thing that this app have everything and all important things for infinite scroll functionality. It has, for example, remote loaded content feature. So if your customers press on the item and go back to the catalog, they will stay on the same place they left it. It's really important for UX. Also, as I previously said, this app is automatically optimized for SEO for Google. it's lightweight and have customization for infinite scroll, so you can match it with your brand, like colors. You can optionally add text like loading. If you like, you can also choose between loading infinite scroll and load more button with counter and progress bar. Okay, I will show you how you can set up it step by step. It will take like 2 minutes. After install, you will find yourself on the main dashboard. Here we just need to activate, follow this setup guide and activate app empt. I will press activate button and app automatically redirect me to my theme. If somehow your browser will block it redirection, you can always go to your theme and in app embeds find Fab Infinite Scroll, make sure the toggle is on and just press save button. Great, let's go back to the apps dashboard. Okay, I see that app empt activated, and now let's go to the settings. Here I have live preview on the right and options like infinite load animation and load more button. In this tutorial we will use infinite load animation. On the bottom I can choose different types of loading animation. I like the first classic loader. Here I can change its size, color. I will left default settings. You can use just animation like on Nike or add loading text. Let's just do it like the same as on the Nike. I recommend to turn on remember loaded content. As I previously said, it's really great for from UX perspective and for your users usability. Here we have advanced settings like search engine friendly pagination. It's turned on by default, so just left it, and some other settings in case your theme is really custom or a legacy, so you can also activate it there, but the app automatically works with the most number of themes. Okay, the app will also change your default pagination on other pages like on the blog, search. If you don't want it, you can here just write the URLs of the pages you want to leave the basic pagination. Great, so now we just need to turn on infinite scroll. Okay, it was activated, and let's press view on the store button and go to our live website to check the result. Before doing this, don't forget to save changes like I did. Okay, well, we are on the catalog page. Let's scroll to the bottom and we see the loading the same on the Nike.com. So congratulations, I showed you how you can improve your navigation just in a couple of minutes. I will remind must-have things you need to have. So it's SEO optimization. Remember loaded content position when your users go back to the catalog. And it's nice to know that this app included support, so developers take care of all changes on the Shopify site, so you don't need to worry if something changed. For example, if you use custom code or hard developer, you need each time to change it, improve it when there are some changes on the Shopify site. Thank you very much for watching, and waiting for you on the next tutorials. Please press like button to this video. It helps me a lot.